So far we have seen certain elements. Now in this video we are going to format text. We are going to change the style of text. So here I have a paragraph tag which is enclosed in a division along with the heading. So for styling text we usually use the style attribute, which I had used in the previous video as well, which added a border to the division. Now let us do some text formatting with this. So let us change the text color, say red, and this becomes red. You can add the style attribute to any element. So let us change the color of the heading to green. There we go. We can do much more. We can also underline the text, the heading text, or any text by using the text decoration property. Let us add it to the heading. There. Then we can also give a background color. Let us change this color to white and add a background color. The background color will be applied to the element. Let's say black. There. We can also change the font using the font family property, which is, now here we can use any font. Let's use this font, and you see the font changed. We can also change the font size by using the font size property. Let's say 20. Let me move this below. Yeah. And the size increased. Next, let us bring the text to the center of the element. Text align center. Let me move this to next line. Yeah. And there. I can also make this text bold by using the bold tag. Let us see the effect of bold tag. It becomes bold. I can also make it italics by using the I tag. And the orientation changed. So there are a lot of different properties that you can use to format text in HTML.